going on? Paris has definitely changed since 2013. That's the last time I was here. Seems like it's a bike-friendly city. What happened? How did Paris become bike-friendly? Paris quietly became a bike city? Really? Oh my God. It is utterly transformed now, in my opinion. So what happened? A mayor was elected, and her goal was to make Paris less independent on cars. And she wanted to see more people riding their bikes. And certainly, if you look around here, she has done her job. Over many years, the government put in restrictions on cars and increased the amount of bike lanes. A lot of the Paris streets are wide. They started out wide when they were first built in 1850. The reason was to prevent peasant revolts from happening. That's kind of interesting. Now, in modern times, this has helped create bike lanes. Woohoo! It's just awesome. So could we in North America adapt our wide streets like this? This new idea for the biking infrastructure here in Paris was marketed to the people as a 15-minute city. That means that the daily amenities would be accessible by a short walk or a bike ride within 15 minutes. That's kind of cool. All around the city center. Not all Parisians were happy with this plan. Here's a different perspective.
For me, very stupid, because it's just thinking only about bikes, I don't understand, You see the city, it's big city, About the pollution, really. In 1917, 1918, the pollution?
Yes.
How many people die at this time? And now he said that this time a lot of people die for the pollution.
From the pollution. Oh, so you're saying it hasn't helped pollution at all?
If you have some friend like to come to see you with the car, he cannot. Do you think it's do you think really it's smart to do something like that?
Well, they would take different transportation other than a car.
Yeah,
I think
sure.
that's where
if you arrive about 2 o'clock in the morning.
You're
yeah, what you do? No, it's too much for me. Really.
Too much. Well, that's interesting. Thank you for your perspective. So I rented a bike and I went cycling in Paris, and it was magic. It was so easy to get around. The bike lanes are so well established in Paris. And today I see more people riding bikes and more places to park your bike safely than I did in 2013. So Paris gives me hope. Yes, I think it is possible to create cities in the United States with cycling infrastructure similar to Paris, but it requires a significant amount of investment and a change in mindset. Paris has invested heavily in bike paths and cycling culture, making it much more cycling-friendly city than most U.S. cities. Hope to see you riding, maybe in Paris.